This is the homework help video for Monday, February 27th for all classes. This homework is Unit 9, Lesson 1, Independent Practice. The first page of the homework gives you all of the 3D figures we've been studying, the characteristics, a drawing, and a sample net. So, and there are 2 questions on that first page, so don't miss those questions. But the first 3 pages, if you reference the notes on the first page, those first 3 pages should be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to do problem 1 and 2 on the back page, the multiple choice questions. Problem 1 asks us, which of the following is a net for a rectangular pyramid? Let's talk about pyramids in general first. Pyramids have one base, and the name of the pyramid, in this case, rectangular pyramid, tells you the shape of the base. So the base is a rectangle. That allows us to rule out answer choice A. This net will form a pyramid, but the base is a triangle, so this would be a triangular pyramid for A. C, the base is a rectangle, but if you fold up those sides, you'll have well, you really won't have anything. You'll have it'll look like an empty box, a rectangular prism without the top. So it's not C. B will also form a prism because the bases would be, I should use big B here, the bases would be these 2 triangles. When you fold these sides up and then fold this triangle top over, it will form a, let me try to draw it 3D. You'll get a triangular prism, 2 bases for a prism. Pyramid only has 1 base. D will form our rectangular pyramid because we have 1 base, it's a rectangle. These 4 faces will fold up and meet at a point. So D is the rectangular pyramid. Number 2 says Alex wants to build a doghouse in the shape of a triangular prism. Which of the following nets represents a plan Alex should use in his construction? So if you look back at number 1, we had a triangular prism in answer choice B. We had 2 congruent triangles for bases, and the faces were 3 rectangles. So D, we can rule out D right away because that forms a rectangular pyramid just like it did in question number 1. C does have, looking at C now, C does have 2 triangles, but these can't be the bases of a triangular prism for a couple reasons. They're not congruent and they wouldn't be parallel to each other. If they share this vertex, they can't be parallel to each other. They won't fold over in a way that will make them parallel to each other. So we can rule out C. A does have 2 congruent triangles, which when you fold them up would be parallel to each other. The problem with A is this rectangular face will fold over onto this face. It won't. You would need to, let me clear off what I marked to try to show you the way this would need to be drawn. We would need to take this face and move it up here. And the base, or triangular base there, for that to make a triangular prism. The way it's laid out right now, it won't. B will, however, because if you fold all these rectangular faces up and then you fold this other base over, it will form a triangular prism, and I drew one of those on the last slide if you want to back up and look at what that would look like. There is a golden ticket on this homework help video. B was the answer, by the way, in case that wasn't clear. Okay, the golden ticket question is, you fill in the blanks so the numbers are equidistant. So you're going to find a number that is the midpoint between 2/3 and 10. And remember the new method for golden ticket contest. If you get the answer, email me from my website with the answer, and the first person to email me will win the ticket, and anyone else who gets the right answer will win 10 tickets for the weekly drawing, and anyone who takes a shot at it but doesn't get the right answer will still win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. And you can still bring me that answer by hand in the morning if you want. Okay, I'll see you in the morning.